We're also streaming live on standardmedia.co.ke and on our YouTube channels as well. Now we go straight to our top story. These are where leaders from the Kenya National Union of Teachers in West Pokot County have confirmed that the nationwide teachers' strike scheduled to begin tomorrow will proceed as planned. The union leaders, led by Secretary General Martin Sembelo, say that their grievances are solely focused on teachers' rights and welfare, urging politicians not to politicize the strike. Sembelo stated that the strike is driven by 7 key demands that the government must address before teachers are willing to return to work.
Mkomo ambaye National Executive Council walinitisha ni ya ukweli na ni ya ukweli kabisa. We want Teacher Service Commission to implement this one, and we want this one as today, tomorrow, Monday. We want our places for our teachers to be factored in the CPA of 2023-2025. Number 2, non-remittance of third-party deductions. We have said very candidly, as West Pokot branch, that our teachers are suffering from letters from banking institutions telling them to make arrangements to pay their loans. This is absurd, ambiguous, premature, Precambrian. Is something of political commercial with no value. We want the Teacher Service Commission to make sure the issue of third party is very pertinent. We don't want, our teachers have got a lot of pressures, and the people nowadays are just very sick everywhere. So we want the Teacher Service Commission to take minimum delay, but maximum speed to make sure that they factor in the issue of third party deductions.
Wiper Democratic Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has criticized